In this video, I will show you how to easily use a VPN on your PS5. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Google Play as see right here and search for a proxy app named Every Proxy. You need to install it. After you do so, you need to search for any VPN provider that you like. If you already have a VPN, that's very great. You can use any VPN that you have right here. I will install Turbo VPN. And now once it's installed, click on the edit icon next to the HTTP proxy and now choose the IP address. Now just hit on save. After that, turn HTTP proxy on. Now after that, open your VPN app. I will use Turbo VPN as you see right here. Now click on the three lines on the top left and now open the settings and choose protocols, then make sure that the protocol is set to OpenVPN. After that, connect to any server you want. So if I click on tap to connect, hit on OK. Now once the VPN is connected, turn on your hotspot from your phone. Now from your PlayStation, go to the settings on the top right. And after that, you need to hit onto the network settings. Now go to settings and set up internet connection. Now from here you need to choose your hotspot and connect to it. After you do, you need to hit on the options button from your controller and click on advanced settings. Now you need to choose proxy server and click on use, and on the address button you need to write the exact IP address from the HTTP server from the Every Proxy app. After you're done, hit on OK. And that's it. Now you have successfully connected a VPN onto your PS5. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.